Hi everyone, welcome back. It's time to get my Christmas tree up. It's nearly the 1st of December and, well, it is actually into December, but I'm doing this video, we're still in November. So by the time I have this up and you see the video, will be about the 7th of December, I think. So best I get on with it. I've decided to go for a snowy themed tree this year. Last year I had a tree, it was all green, but I've gone for a snow themed tree this year. And I've just got to get it all out of the box. It comes like this, so I've got to get it all together. So I've started putting my tree up and I've had to open all the little branches, and that's the bit I hate, and it's really heavy as well. And it's an LED Christmas tree, so I don't need Christmas lights, but it comes with these little attachments, and I've got to, I think, attach these to the other parts of the tree and then hope it lights up. So there's these little attachments here. You just clip them together and screw it on and hide them in the back of the tree so they can't be seen. And hopefully now I'm going to see if the tree turns on. So the same with this, I'm just going to pop that in. I think it's looking quite pretty, and I'm glad I got the snow tree. I'm just hoping these LED lights work. Let's see. There we go, it works. I think it looks really pretty. I'm really happy with this, and I'm just going to decorate it. I'm going to leave the lights on so I can see where I'm going to put my decorations. But this year I ordered a box of these sort of purple and silver baubles and some nice glittery ones as well. So I'm going to just put them on the tree and make it look pretty. That's my tree done now, and I really like the difference between the big baubles, the medium size, and these little ones here. And I do like the colour of the purple and whites and blues. So against that white background, I'm really happy with this tree. I just got to put the star on the top now, and that's it finished. I hope this goes right. Oops. It might be a bit heavy for it, so I don't know what to do. It's going to be wobbly. This is the bit I hate. Let me see. It's not working out. Okay, so maybe if I bend that down a bit and push that on like that. Maybe this will work out. I don't want to break it. There we go. I think that works. I'll show you the tree. And I forgot I've got to turn the lights on. So I'm just going to turn the light out. And let's see what it looks like. There we go. Maybe it'll look better with the light on, maybe you can see better. I think that's really pretty. I'm pleased with that. I'll show you the rest of it. Oh, and I've got my little champagne bottles on as well. I've got some presents under the tree already, and my fake fur tree skirt, and this is the tree. I'm looking forward to seeing other trees going up now and seeing what they're like. And every tree's different, they're all individual, they're all unique, and it just depends what you feel like doing. And this is what I felt like doing this year. having a snowy tree with some silver and purple baubles. I'm really happy with that. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next week.